Hello students, welcome you all once again. So in the previous lecture we have discussed about the company, what are the types of company and also some features of company. So today in this video we are going to start the main part of this unit. Let's take an overview of this video. See, we are going to discuss in this video meaning of share, what do you mean by share capital, who is shareholders, what are the types of share capital and also the difference between equity share capital and preference share capital. So let's start it. See here, meaning of share. So students, here share means it is nothing but it is the just part or unit of capital. It is the smallest unit of capital. What is share here? It is the smallest part of capital. So capital of limited company is not contributed by few members, but it is contributed by public at large. The promoters of company determines the size of capital, taking into consideration various factors, and this capital is divided into equal parts or units, each part or unit being of equal value. Such part or unit is called share. So what is share here? It is the just smallest part of capital. Next, see here P stands for person or people. If one person involved in any business, it is called sole proprietorship. If two persons are involved in any business, it is called partnership. If n number of persons means more than two persons are involved in any business, it becomes company. Clear? Next, see here. Now let's try to understand it more with the help of this chart which I have prepared for you. See here, suppose here is a one company, for example say XYZ company, and this company want to start a new business. To start this new business, it required capital is 1 crore. So required capital to start this business is 1 crore. Then see here, this is the big amount. So it is not possible to invest single person or two person. So in that case, what we'll do here, company divide this capital into various parts or units. So this parts or unit is nothing but share. See here, once again, this is the company. It want to start a new business. To start this new business, it required capital is 1 crore. This is the big amount. So because of that, company what will do? Company divide this 1 crore capital into various small units. So this small unit is nothing but share. Now what will happen? Various persons or public at large, they come. Means here I have given A, B, C, D. These persons come and they take these shares, or we can say they purchase these shares from the company. After purchasing these shares from company, they became shareholders of the company. So see here, after that, they become the shareholders of the company. See here, I have shown here the shareholders are the owner of the company. See here, these persons they purchase the shares from the company. After purchasing these shares, they become the shareholders of the company, and here shareholders they become the owner of the company after purchasing these shares. See here, for example, here is a Mr. A. He purchased, for example, 10 shares from company. So he became 10 percentage owner of this company. Again, if B purchased, for example, 50 shares, so he became 50 percentage owner of this company. See here again, if Mr. C he purchased, you can say 20 shares, so he became 20 percentage share of this company. Like this, they became the owner of the company after purchasing these shares. So this is the whole story of company and its shareholders. Now see the next. See here, I have given one example. A company may have capital of rupees 1 lakh divided into units or shares of rupees 10 each. The company sells these shares to public and raise its capital. Hence, the capital of company is called share capital. See the next. Share capital will represents the amount contributed by owners, and these owners are called shareholders of the company, which one we have discussed here. Okay. So the shareholders, they purchase the shares from the company and they become the owner of the company. So the types of shares, basically there are two types of shares. One is equity share capital and second one is preference share capital. So what is the difference between these two shares, that we will see in our next video. Thank you.